Which type of device would be used on a laptop to verify the identity of a user? So we're talking about like credentials, we're talking about accessing something. Which of the following? Let's go over one of the ones that it is not. So a digitizer. I actually have one of these. Here, come over here really quickly. I'll bring it to you. It's this like tablet thing. This guy right here. And what this does is it turns analog input. So if you use a specific pen with the tablet, like this guy right here. So I write on the tablet and that analog input is going to be displayed on the screen as like writing or whatever have you. That is a digitizer, something to do with touch inputs, analog touch inputs, and it represents it on a screen. So that's a digitizer. It's not used to identify a user. And then we have a touch screen. Well, a touch screen, it's like your phone. It's one of the many screen layers on your phone, which allows you to, if I double tap it, you'll see, I don't know if you can see the always on display, and it registers your touch input, and it does things based off that. It's not used to verify your identity. It's just used to get your touch inputs. And then we have an MIDI device. What the heck is that? I didn't know about that before I went over this question, but an MIDI device is a music instrument digital interface. So if you have like a keyboard, electronic keyboard, or you have a controller, you have any kind of interface for music. It's a music instrument digital interface. That's what MIDI stands for. Did not know what it was till today. Let me know in the comments below if this word is totally new to you too. So obviously that's not used to verify identity. So last thing we have is a biometric identification device. Fingerprints, and my phone has one. So if I put my finger up here, okay, I missed it, it will unlock my phone. Boom, gives you wings. So that's pretty much it. It's going to verify your identity, and this can be used on anything, not just phones. It could be on locks. Have you seen those cool locks on Amazon where it's just a fingerprint thing? That's pretty cool. That is a biometric identification device. That is what we would use. It could be a fingerprint scanner, it could be a facial recognition camera. It's just used to verify the identity of a user.